it going? We're under the hood of Rob's Revive battery truck, just doing a battery swap. Very interesting vehicle. 0 EM, 30 cents a day, free batteries. I mean, how can you go wrong? One thing you got to watch, of course, you don't short anything out. Or show them what I'm doing. High-tech.
There's a high-tech
procedure. Yeah, high-tech procedure.
Top secret too.
Oh, and there's the wife. There's Bonnie.
Hi, Bonnie.
We're on film.
Okay, being we don't have a wiring diagram for this thing yet, I'm not taking any chances. I don't know if this is chassis ground or not, so I'm not letting it touch anything. Just saw a little discharge spark there, but didn't let the smoke out. That's a good thing.
No mushroom clouds, eh?
No mushroom clouds so far. Okay, that's done. We're working on a Rob's EV truck. Just going to wind up my flashlight here, LED. I'm just going to go over quickly how this thing's wired up. Oh, and of course it ain't work. What? It's too bright out. Okay, basically, right here, these two lines right here, you've got 150 volts. This vehicle runs on 150 volts DC. This is the negative side. This is the positive side. This unit is positive ground. Basically, the positive side goes to the common of the controller, then continues on to the motor. The negative side goes to, I do believe it's called interrupter. Your ignition key is what turns this on and off. Once you turn contactor, that's it. Yeah. Once you turn on your ignition switch, this is energized. Lets the negative side go to the controller, and then that goes. The controller controls how much power goes to the motor. Negative side goes to the motor, and that's how it's powered. It's actually a positive floating ground. These two connectors here are your potentiometer, which control, basically there's your throttle control. Basically the controller just reads what the voltage is across here and produces the amount of current for the motor. This here is an on and off. Basically when the switch, the throttle cable is dropped down to the bottom, it turns the controller completely off. It's an extra safety. So basically you've got this wire and this contactor producing a safety situation where if you turn off your key, you lift your throttle, the controller shuts off, you turn off your key, this contactor shuts off, and that's it. There's a safety here, and that's basically it. The most expensive part is the motor, the down controller. Of course, you've also got a 12-volt system, a DC to DC converter. There's the motor.
Put the light towards the motor.
Yeah, there you can see it now.
Okay.
Yep. It's like a car stereo amp. If this has got 12 volts, this thing turns off.
Oh, okay.
So as soon as you let off your gas pedal, this thing turns off until you touch it again, and then it reads from the potentiometer, the voltage here that varies with the throttle.
Okay.
That's its input, I guess you could say. And that's basically it, really. You got a DC to DC converter that goes from 150 volts DC to 12 to run your accessory battery for your headlights, your wipers, all that. But there's not a lot to it. There's no oil changes. I mean, you got to do your diff and your rear end.